Hey, this is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and I want to introduce you to CourseMate AI. In this review, it mentions that you can build e-learning sites that profit fast. So what I'm going to do here is talk about a lot of the content that they provided, and then also provide you with my personal insights about it. So CourseMate AI 2.0, it's here to help you cash in on the booming e-learning market. This is an all-in-one platform that makes it easy to create and manage professional e-learning sites, courses, and more. With powerful AI tools, you can generate content, design your site, and start monetizing it in just minutes. Why choose it? You could say goodbye to complicated tools and high costs. CourseMate AI simplifies everything, giving you complete control over your e-learning business. Whether you're creating courses, ebooks, or training videos, this platform helps you strike it big with minimal effort. You could build professional e-learning sites, and they say that it rivals Udemy. I am actually a Udemy course creator. I have different profiles, especially some kind of like faceless, nameless kind of profiles. And I can say that Udemy, they've spent probably millions on their platform. And I can say that CourseMate AI, I don't think they've spent millions. It's something that allows you to use their customizable templates. That's true. These designs are not only visually appealing, but also optimized for performance and conversion. So when I was thinking about performance, you have to think that this platform, it's sold to hundreds or thousands of people, and they're all sharing a server. And typically what happens with a lot of these programs, whether it's on Warrior Plus or JVZoo with software here, it's very common to stack a whole bunch of people on the same server, and then the server is just used to, of course, create this system where they can make some good money. And then they're kind of like serial entrepreneurs where they create product after product. So the product itself, I could say that if you are on a minimal budget, you pretty much get what you pay for. If you're looking for a very high performing course creation and management system, I would say that for $37, this may not be it. So just want to be clear upfront with you. AI powered content creation. Generate high quality ebooks, training videos, and even children's books with CourseMate AI smart tools. Just type in a keyword and the platform does the rest. This feature saves you time, helps you boost your income by eliminating the need for freelancers. So I have used tons of freelancers over the years across many countries. And one of the big problem is that, especially when English is not the first language, I have to read and edit the content quite a bit. With many of these tools, especially that just use generic AI prompts, I still have to edit and review. But I can say that the way that it's structured, it's actually more cohesive and it's like a very good first draft. So keep that in mind that I still recommend editing, reviewing the content. Multilingual features. I think this is pretty cool. You could create content in multiple languages and for international markets. Thing is that with AI, it's better than Google Translate or Bing Translate, I can say, because it does structure the content and it does have an idea, especially if you're writing for a specific area. It can actually provide a more cohesive translation than many of these other translation tools. Automate customer support. You could improve your user experience with AI-powered chatbot that provides instant answers to visitors' questions. This feature helps you reap the benefits of better customer satisfaction and higher conversion rates. I think even a very minimal virtual assistant is very good, especially if it has AI in it. So there's no harm in that. Advanced marketing tools. Use coupon codes, banner ads, SEO features to attract more customers. CourseMate AI also offers detailed sales reports and student management tools. These features help you cultivate financial growth while keeping track of your progress. So what I've seen here on the platform is that it's actually decent, for what people are paying for this platform. And I can say that just because you put your course out there, it doesn't mean that you'll get a bunch of money. You still have to promote it. And that's why it has SEO features, coupon codes, banner ads. It will help with conversions. Keep 100% of your profits. I think this is a big thing because a lot of the traditional platforms, they take a big cut from your earnings. I've seen somewhere between, like, let's say 5 to 10%, even more. And if you go for Udemy, they take a big cut. But I would say the huge advantage with Udemy is that they promote my courses, even though I don't. It's a very cool system. Even courses I made 5 years ago, they're still making income online. So they do build traffic for you, and that is the cost for doing business. They take a big cut. You're not able to create sales funnels. They pretty much control where they want to push traffic to. So you have less control with Udemy. But with CourseMate, you get to keep 100% of your profits, and then that's a cool thing. It's beginner friendly. I can say going through the platform, it is beginner friendly, no doubt. Scale your business. It allows you to grow 15 academies and 100 ebooks. You can also build 15 full training video courses. And that's huge for people that are on a super tight budget. Um, to me, having a handful of courses will, even one course can possibly pay for all of the money you spend on CourseMate. So that's another rationale that I have. When I buy something, I want to make sure that there's a positive ROI. And I think that's an advantage of the system. It's so low cost that people can get started easily and fast and make a profit. Simple 3-step process. You log in, create your content, and publish your site. That could take minutes, but if you want to create a high quality course, of course, you should go ahead and review and edit it. Pricing, as I mentioned, it's dirt cheap, $37. You get a whole bunch of features, free updates, and a commercial license. And many other platforms out there, they have monthly fees. And this is an extremely affordable way to hit the e-learning market with a platform. Final thoughts. I think it's a good solution for educators, entrepreneurs, and marketers looking to secure financial success in the e-learning space, especially if you're on a super tight budget. Of course, there are better platforms out there, and it really depends on what type of kind of ecosystem, what kind of user experience you want to create. But I can say that this does allow you to get started very fast and easy. And you still have to build traffic. It is something that I think it's a great system, again, for people that are just getting started. If you want to check out my recommendation for building courses online, I will provide a link in my description. And then also, I do look into other ways to make money besides courses. And if you are looking for a very simple way to get started online, where you get the tools and resources and the training, and you don't want to spend any money to get started, go ahead and check out my link in the description, and you'll be able to get access to some special training. That's all for today. Take care.